Well, everyone, I am reporting from Daytona Beach. This is Chase Glass for Man Cave Flat TV. Well, Irene is passing right now past Florida off the coast here, but as you can see out there, there are some waves. I'm standing in the water. We can walk a little bit out to the water just to give you some idea that it's crazy out here. There's nobody really on the beach, and here it comes. The water feels pretty warm, so it's not so bad at all, but there's nobody here. I hope you guys are enjoying your Friday. This is a great Friday morning for me to come out here wanting to be a storm chaser with the umbrella. Anyway, happy Friday morning.